So what's up guys, me here and welcome back to Tech and Gaming by YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to download Getting Over It for free in PC. That's a race game. So I'll start the video. So guys, at first I've given a link in the description. Go to that link and you'll come to this page. After coming to this page, you will scroll down and guys you can see that screen system requirements. This is too low. Everyone will have this type of PC. And guys, now click this. You will be here. After scrolling down, you'll click this. It will download. Wait a second. Click close it. Click download now. Guys, this is an ad. Please close this ad. Now click again download now. Now your download will start. So guys, you can see the download is started. And guys, as I said earlier that this requirement is so low, and guys I have said that everyone will have this type of PC, and guys don't think that I have a very high-end PC. My PC is Intel Core i3 2120 and my graphics card is Nvidia GT 610. Now you can understand the how low-end PC I have. Guys, if I misbehave with you guys, please forgive me. I am a very small YouTuber. Please support me, guys. Please subscribe my channel and like and share my videos, guys. So guys, you can see that the game is downloaded. Now open your file manager, go to downloads and extract the file. And guys, you must need WinRAR to extract this file. Guys, I've made a video on it, how to download WinRAR for free in PC and activate it for lifetime. If you don't have WinRAR, you can watch the video and download it from there. And if you already have WinRAR, just extract this file. Wait for it to extract. So guys, you can see that the file is extracted. Now open the file, open it. Now click this Getting Over It with Bennett 4D and pin it to taskbar. Hold your left click button and pin it to taskbar, and then click the game and wait for it to run. So guys, you can see that I have opened the game. Now what kind of pointer are you using? I am using a mouse, so I'll click mouse. And guys, you can see the game is opened. Now click new game. Now guys, wait for the game to start. So guys, wait. So guys, you can see that here is Bennett 4D. He will come out, and guys, you can see that. Guys, I literally don't know how to play this game. I will learn. Wait, let me. Oh. Wait. Wait.
If you won some money at the casino and then put all your winnings on it came up black.
Wait.
If you got your best shirt dry cleaned before a wedding and then immediately dropped food on it. Free to go away and come back.
Yes. Again. That. Yes.
All right. Thanks for coming with me on this trip. I'll understand if you have to take a break at any point. Just find a safe place to stop and quit the game. Don't worry. I'll save your progress, always. Even your mistakes.
Yes.
There's a Hamad that.
So guys, I guess, wait, first let me quit this game. The sound is awesome, the music is really awesome. Now the music is so bad. Wait guys, back. Guys, now I quit the game. So guys, I guess that's the end of the video. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.